Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy. Hey everyone, welcome back to Pip Academy. Today, we're diving deep into one of the coolest, most powerful, and downright amazing parts of your body, your brain. That's right, the human brain and memory. Ever wondered how you remember your favorite song lyrics? How you learn new things? Or why you can't forget where you hid that last piece of candy? Well, buckle up because we're about to explore how your brain makes all that happen and more. So, what is the brain? It's not just that squishy, wrinkly thing inside your head. Nope, it's your body's control center, the boss of all bosses. Weighing about 3 pounds, it's packed with billions of nerve cells called neurons. These neurons talk to each other through electrical and chemical signals, making sure you can think, learn, move, and even dream. Your brain is made up of different parts, each with its own job. Let's break it down. First up, the cerebrum. It's the big wrinkly part on top. The cerebrum is split into 2 halves called hemispheres. It controls your thinking, decision-making, and senses like seeing, hearing, and tasting. When you solve puzzles, do math, or paint a picture, that's all thanks to your cerebrum. Next, we have the cerebellum. This little guy is at the back of your brain and helps with balance and coordination. Want to ride a bike or dance? Your cerebellum makes sure you don't fall flat on your face. Finally, there's the brainstem. This part keeps you alive by controlling automatic functions like breathing and your heartbeat. You don't even have to think about it. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about memory. Your brain is like the ultimate storage system. Memory helps you remember your favorite memories, facts for school, and even how to tie your shoes. But there are the different types of memory. Here's a quick look. Short-term memory is like your quick access memory. It helps you remember things for a short period of time, like a phone number you just heard or what someone said 5 seconds ago. Long-term memory is where information is stored for a long time. Once something goes into the long-term memory, you can remember it for days, weeks, or even years. And then there's working memory. This one helps you keep information in your head while you're using it, like adding numbers in your head or following directions. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, time for our first quiz. Which part of your brain helps with balance and coordination? A, the cerebrum. B, the cerebellum. C, the brainstem. Think carefully. If you said B, the cerebellum, then well done. That's right. Great job, brainiacs.
Is your little one working on finding their first words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early language learners. Our goal is to help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. First is we have interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content like this to support learning. And lastly, our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and at Goalie, we're here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their kids' communication needs. Visit getgoalie.com and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.
Let's keep going. Your brain uses special pathways to send messages through neurons, creating what we call neural connections. The more you practice or repeat something, the stronger these connections become. Ever wonder why you can ride a bike after years without practicing? It's because those connections are strong and ready to go. Now, here are some super cool facts about the human brain and memory. Your brain can't feel pain. Even though it's the control center for everything else, your brain doesn't have pain receptors. That's why surgeons can perform brain surgery on awake patients. We're born with almost all our brain cells, but as we grow, they connect and work together to make us who we are. Memories are stored all over the brain. Different types of memories are stored in different places. For example, emotional memories are stored in a special part called the amygdala. Your brain is always changing. This is called neuroplasticity. It means you can keep learning and improving your brain skills no matter how old you are. And dreams help with memory. When you sleep, your brain sorts and files memories, which helps you learn and remember new things better. Let's make things interactive again. Time for quiz number 2. True or false? Your brain can feel pain. Think about it. If you said false, then you are absolutely correct. Your brain doesn't have pain receptors. Great job.
Is your little one working on finding their words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early learners. Our goal? To help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. Interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content, like this one, to support learning. Our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and Goalie is here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their children's communication skills. Visit getgoalie.com today and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.
Wow, we've learned so much today. We explored how the brain is like a supercomputer, controlling everything we do, and how memory works, like a magical storage system that keeps our favorite facts and moments. Remember, your brain is powerful, and the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Before we wrap up, here's a challenge. Use your amazing brain power to learn something new today. It could be a new word, a cool fact, or even a new dance move. Subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more, and be sure to check out our other playlists. See you next time. Keep those neurons firing and keep exploring.